right? So I just want to know what are your areas of specialization and what are the challenges that you face in your domain areas?
So my specialization area is specifically on diversity and inclusion. Very interested in creating structures for underrepresented groups, such as individuals who might be considered minorities in gender, in ethnicity, in sexuality, in thought as well too,
Okay.
and using those factors to really drive innovation within organizations.
So what challenges do you really face in your area?
Well, diversity and inclusion are two things that people are very much aware of in a variety of different industries. But what I think people really struggle with is the whole idea of belonging. So not just being able to attract people from different genders or different types of thoughts or political beliefs to your organization, but making sure you can create an opportunity for them to stay there that makes them happy and excited, making them feel like they belong. And that way they're able to use the maximum human potential that they have to create a better organization for everyone.
That's right. So this is your first visit to India, or you've been here before?
This is my second visit to India,
Okay.
yes.
Right. So what are your views about today's symposium? How do you feel about the entire proceedings that were there today?
I think that today's symposium was absolutely wonderful. One of the things that I really loved was learning about different perspectives on leadership. And my symposium group actually focused on women in the workplace and transforming the workplace as well. And I had a lot of opportunities to hear about female empowerment in India and female leadership in India and what that means. Some of the challenges that women face in India as they are ascending to leadership as well too. Some of the cultural things that they
Do you
might
find a
face.
lot of difference in the challenges which Indian women face and in your country, or it's more or less same?
I would say that there are some differences because in America, the culture, we don't have quite as a rich cultural tradition as I believe you have in India itself. So there's actually a long history of culture within India, and as a result, I think some of the challenges may arise from that.
Okay.
But there are, I would say that for the most part, patriarchal oppression exists everywhere in many different forms though.
That's right. So what would be your message to women fraternity, who want to start their career in the corporate life? So any message you would like to give them?
I would like to tell them that you have the right to leadership. You should be a leader. You can do anything that you want to do, and that you belong, and that you are the change that we need to see in the world.
Great. Thank you. It was a pleasure talking to you.
It's a pleasure speaking with you too. Thank you.
We're done.